regarding the m-way tree last time, m-way tree in which we need to mention the value of the m, right? So in an m-way tree, we need to mention the value of the m. It can be anything. So depending upon the value that we are using, a particular B tree can be called as B tree 4 ways. If the value we have taken here m as 4. Accordingly, if the value changed to 5, it will be a 5-way tree. So on. Fine. Now, we need to, last time as I have told you, we should form a tree from a given condition. So what happens whenever a tree is given? Let us say if it is an m-way tree, then every node can have maximum n minus 1 number of values in this particular node. For example, if I say, if I have a value say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on. Fine. The maximum value that can be placed in a particular node will be equal to n minus 1. That is, only 4 values can go at this particular point. Remaining values can go at this point and so on. Now we need to check how to design this particular tree. Let us assume that we are given this value, say 1, 5, 9, 11, right? And we have to form a tree from this, that is a B tree with 5-way. So I call this as 5-way B tree, right? Now in the first step, what I'm going to do, I'll insert the first element, that is 1. So with this, it is not conflicting with the condition of a 5-way tree, because as per the rule, what we have to give is that it should have the number of value that can be there is n minus 1, which is equals to 5 minus 1, which comes out to be 4. So 1 मैंने इसको insert कर दिया. When I have to insert 5, naturally I can insert 5 also, because without any issue it's happening. Also for 9 I can insert in this way. If I insert 11, right, I can insert 11 also. So you can see all the 4 elements I inserted. Let us assume that one more elements that I have to insert, say I have to insert 3 now. अब 3 जब insert करना होगा, तो what we are going to see, if I insert 3 here, 1, 3, 5, 9, 11. अब ये नोट क्या हो जाएगा, इसमें 5 elements आ गए. But it is conflicting with the condition that is given, that it should have only n minus 1 number of children. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to pull this particular number. Now why I'm pulling, because as per the rule, if this should be equal, left child and right child should be equal. So in this, if this is the condition, because you can see here 5 elements are there, and if you pull from here, this 2 will drop down, that is 1 and 3. So if I'm pulling 5 here, it will come here, and 1 and 3 will come together, and 9 and 11 will come together. Also, the condition of a tree is being satisfied with the left children are having the less value, and the right children are having the more value as compared to the root node. So this is how you're going to form the tree. For this, I'll start with a simple example. Let us assume that we have to insert the element, or we have to form a tree, form B tree of order 5, and the given elements are, let us say 78, 21, 14, 11, 97, 85, 74, 63, 45, 42, 57, 20, 16, 19, 32, 30, 11. Now you can see the order that I have that is given is 5. So when I start with step number 1, naturally to 78 it will not create any issue. So 78 can be written as it is. Second, when I want to insert 21, also I can insert 21, but the only thing is that I should maintain the sequence as I have told you. Whenever we are inserting, 21 will come before 78. So I'm maintaining the sequence, that is the ascending order. When you come to 14, 14 also can be inserted in this way. So it will be 14, 21, 78 without any issue. When you try to insert 11, naturally it will be 11, 14, 21, 78, right? So this also will be together. Now, when you come to the next That is insertion of 97. Now when I insert 97, you can see it is in contradiction with the condition of our MWay tree, which says that the number of values that are inserted should be equal to n minus 1. So n minus 1 here will be equal to 4. तो यहाँ पर अभी कितने एलिमेंट्स आ गए? 5 आ गए. तो मैंने क्या बोला आपको, इसको पुल करना होगा. उस केस में जो सेंट्रल एलिमेंट है उसको हमें पुल करना होगा. So when I pull this, my condition of this will change to 21 will come at the top. Towards my left it will be 11 and 14. Towards my right it will be 78 and 97. Even though I had inserted 97 as an element, but now after pulling this, because this was not satisfying the condition of my MWay tree, I have got it towards the right side at 78 and 97. Now the next element to be inserted is 85. This is the next element to be inserted. So here I'm going to insert 85. So while placing an 85, where I'm going to place, now it will be towards the right of 21, correct? Because the value towards the right will be more as compared to the root node. This is the condition that we need to follow every time. So at this point, I am inserting 85. For inserting 85, I have done 21, then 11, 14. Towards the right side, it will be 78, but 85 is less than 97. So I'm going to maintain the sequence. It will be 78, 85 and 97, right? Now again I need to insert this is all are satisfying the condition. How? All are having the number of values less than 4, because n minus 1, which is equals to 4, should be the values at each node, right? So here all are satisfying the value. Now inserting 74. I'm going to insert 74 towards my right of 21, because 74 is more than 21. But in the sequence, if you see, 74 is less than 78. So I'll be placing 74, 78, 85 and 97, right? Now again, I need to insert in the next step. So this was step number 6. This was step number 7. At step number 8, I want to insert 63, right? So while inserting 63, again it will be towards right of 21. So left side I'm going to draw it as it is. So it will be 11 or 14 जैसे के वैसे. Now when I'm inserting 63, so 63, this is a given condition, isn't it? So I'm inserting 63. So in this case, it will come towards the right. But when I insert 63, see how it will become 63, 74, 78, 85 and 97. But this is having 5 values. So again, what we need to do as per the condition, we need to pull up some element, because there is an overflow that is happening. There is an overflow. We'll call this as overflow. Overflow is occurring. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pull one particular element. So what I'll do, central element मैं pull करूंगी. Now this is very important. See, ये मैं central element जब मैं pull करूंगी, you can see the above level is having less number of elements or values. So what I'll do, I'll pull this and merge it with 21. Pulling and merging with 21. So it will become 21, 78. और 21 के left में it will be 11 and 14. अब एक लिंक यहां से आएगी जो 78 के लेफ्ट में रहेगी. 78 के लेफ्ट में क्या रहेगा? 63 एंड 74. एंड 78 के राइट में क्या हो जाएगा आपका? इट विल बी 85 एंड 97. राइट? Because we have pulled 78 and it can come at this particular point. So this is the tree that we will get. Now the next element to be inserted is 45. So where 45 will go? Naturally, it is more than 21. So it will be somewhere here. So if you see, there is a link of 78 which will be less than 78. So somewhere here my 45 will come. So after inserting 45 in sequence, you will get 21, 78 at the top. Then 71 के left में you had 11 and 14. 21 के left में 11 and 14. 78 के left में now 45 will be inserted. And previously, as you see, we had 63 and 74, right? So this will be 63 and 74. And 78 के right में we had already 85 and 97, right? The next element to be inserted, now see in the sequence which is the next element to be inserted, it is 42. So you can see 42 is the next element to be inserted. So I'm going to insert 42. So it will be inserting 42. When I insert 42, naturally it is more than 21, so उसके right में रहेगा, लेकिन 78 के less में, तो वापस से यहीं पे कहीं तो आएगा, that is in this particular middle area it is going to come. So I will have 21, 78, 11 and 14 placed as it is. 78 ka you will have 42, 45, 63, 74. And towards the right it will be 85 and 97. Correct? So this is after inserting 42. Now next element to be inserted. Okay, is there any overflow that is occurring here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I don't think there is any overflow that is occurring here. Now let's insert the next element. So if you see, the next element to be inserted is 57. So यहाँ पर हमारा next element है which to be inserted is 57. So I'm going to insert 57 now. So insert 57. Where it will be inserted? It will be more than 21, less than 78. So naturally it will be inserted at this particular point. So I will have 21, 78, 11, 14. 78 के left child में it will become now 42, 45, 57, 63 and 74. So I have inserted this 57 at this particular point, right? Now remaining element towards the right tree will be as it is, that is 85 and 97. But if you observe, again this is an overflow problem because there are 5 elements that are there. What are you going to do? We are going to pull a particular value. Which value we are going to pull? We are going to pull 57. So after this pulling, I will get this as, it will be 21, 57 and 78. Towards the left it will be 11, 14. Then as you can see, I have pulled this 57. So naturally what will happen? 42 and 45 will come towards the left of 57. So 57 के left में क्या आ जाएगा? 42 and 45. Towards the right you will get the value of 63 and 74. This is right of 57 which is left of 78. And right of 78 now will be 85 and 97. Right? The next number to be inserted is 20 now. So I'm going to insert 20. Insert 20. So where 20 will come? Since it is less than 21, it should go toward the left. So I'll have 21, 57, 78 together. Towards the left, it will be 11, 14. Towards the right of 21, it will be 42, 45. Right of 57, it will be 63 and 74. Right of 78 will be 85 and 97. Which is the next element to be inserted? Now it is 16. So after inserting 16, so 20 need to be placed here. After inserting 16, I'll make changes here only. Insert 20 and 16. 20 already हमने insert किया था. अब 16 insert करने के बाद में क्या हो जाएगा? आपका 14 यहाँ पर shift हो जाएगा and 16 will be inserted at this particular point. So you can see, I have inserted towards the left of 21 since the value is less than 21. Now the next element to be inserted. Which is the next element? So if you observe here, the next element is 19 to be inserted. So what I want to do, I will insert 19. So naturally after inserting 19, it will come somewhere here. So towards the left of 21. So I'll write down this again. It's 21, 57 and 78. Towards the left side, we already have 11, 14, 16 and now 19 is been inserted and already 20 was there. And here you had 42 and 45. Towards the left of 78, that is the right of 57, we already had 63 and 74. And right of 78, we had 85 and 97. But you can observe here, there is an overflow that is occurring. So you can see here there is an overflow occurring. Why overflow? Because you can see the number of elements are 5. So what I need to do, I need to pull 16 up. If I pull 16 up, the values will change. Now what will be the root node? The root node will have now 16, 21, 57 and 78. क्योंकि अभी हमने 16 को पुल किया. उसके अंदर लेफ्ट चाइल्ड आपका आ जाएगा 11 and 14. This right of 16 will become 19 and 20 as it is. Left of 57, that is right of 21, will be 42 and 45. Right of 57, that is the left of 78, will be 63 and 74 as it is. And right of 78 will become 85 and 97. Right? That is as it is, we are going to keep. Now the next element to be inserted. If you see in the sequence, we have inserted 19 here. Okay. So the next element we'll see what need to be inserted. So I'll come here. Next element to be inserted is 32. Right. So where I'm going to get 32? 32 kahan pe place karegi? We are going to place it after 21. That is below 57. So somewhere here it will be placed. Right. So my tree will have, after insertion of 32, my value will be 16, 21, 57, 78 as it is. This will become 11, 14 as it is. Towards this point, it will be 19 and 20. But here, now, your 32 will be inserted. So it will be 32, 42 and 45. So if you observe, we have inserted this at this particular point. Okay? Now, remaining as it is, that is 63 and 74. And this 85 and 97 as it is. Now the next element to be inserted, if you see, is number 30. So if you see, 30 should be inserted after 21. So somewhere here 30 will be inserted. So let me make changes here after inserting 32 and 30. So 30 मेरा यहीं पे placed हो जाएगा यहाँ पर. Right? So it is 1, 2, 3, 4 number of nodes that have been added. Now after, so 30 is been added. The last number to be added is 31. Now this is very important because you see, जब मैं 31 add कर रही हूँ, तो ये मेरा क्या हो रहा है? 5 elements आ रहे हैं. So what I need to do is that I need to pull this particular element up because there is an overflow that is occurring. Okay. So what I do, I pull the central element 32. This is very important because see, when I pull this 32, there will be overflow at the root node also. So after inserting 31, there was overflow of this particular node. तो 30 जब मैं 32 इंसर्ट कर रही तब ओवरफ्लो नहीं हुआ, 30 इंसर्ट किया तभी नहीं हुआ, लेकिन 31 जब मैं इंसर्ट की, there was an overflow that is occurring. So I'm going to pull up the node. So after pulling up, I'll show you how it will become. It will become in this way. So it will have 16, 21, 32, 57 and 78. You can see here also there is an overflow that is occur. बाकी के तो सब हमारे elements ऐसे ही रहेंगे, that is 11 and 14. then there is 19, 20. Since we have pulled 32, now towards the left of 32 will be 30 and 31. We need to maintain the sequence. So here also you see that you maintain the sequence. आप आगे पीछे नंबर कर सकते हैं. Towards the right it will be 42 and 45. Towards the right of 57 was 63 and 74. Towards the right of 78 there was 85 and 97. Right? So if you can observe here, even the root node has become overflow. Even this now is overflow. So what we are going to do? Again, we are going to pull the element that is there. So finally, if you see, I'm going to pull an element from here also. At that point, what will happen? This will be pulled and 32 as a central element will come at the top. And remaining element, that is 16, 21, 57, 78, 14. For to this now you can see to the 16 we'll have 14 and 11 and 14. This will have 19 and 20. 21 will have 30 and 31. 57 के लेफ्ट में आ जाएगा 42 and 45. This will be, so you're understanding this. I have pulled. After pulling this element, मेरे 16 के लेफ्ट वैसे के वैसे रह गए, राइट. 21 का जो भी लेफ्ट था that is 19 and 20. I have written as it is 19 and 20. Then you can see 32 का लेफ्ट आपका 30 और 31 है, that will become the right of 21. So you can see right of 21 has become here. जो आपका लेफ्ट था यहाँ पर इस पॉइंट पर. After pulling this, 21 का right will become 30 and 31, right? 57, 42 and 45. So as it is, I'm writing. Then 57 ka right is 63 and 74. So you can see 63 and 74 was there. So I'm going to write this 63 and 74. And 78 ka right. Yes, sir.
मैम 21 के राइट में पहले से ही होता कुछ तो
21 के राइट में ऑलरेडी देखो, अगर हो यहाँ पे है ही ना ऑलरेडी. There is already 30 and 31, which is considered as right of 21 and left of 32. So if you are pulling this element, so this will go up. और इसका जो child है ये यानी left है, ये इसका right बन जाएगा. In other words, it is the right of 21 only. But when this was there, we have to consider इसका right and इसका left. 32 का left and 31 ka right. But when you're pulling this element, naturally it will remain the right of 21 because it cannot go with 32 at the upper level. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So here we have kept the remaining element as it is, that is 85 and 97. Now we need to check that at every stage or every node, the number of values or elements should not be greater than 4. Okay, it can be 4 since this was an 5-way tree. तो हमारे number of elements कितने आ सकते हैं? n-1 which is equal to 5-1 which was equals to 4. So यहाँ पर 1 है correct, यहाँ पर 2 है correct. Here also two elements are there, here 2. So you can see it is satisfying the condition of your m-way tree. So this was regarding your 5-way tree. But the thing here that is that in 5-way tree you get कि left child में आपके even number same number of element आ गए, right में आ गए और हमने central element को pull किया.